Being fair for threads means give the lock to that thread which is waiting for the lock since longest time. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. In this video we will learn about isFair method of the ReentrantLock class. The isFair method is a public and final method which returns boolean. It returns true if fairness policy is applied to the lock. We already have seen the fairness policy. If you create a ReentrantLock object with true as its argument, that means you are applying the fairness policy. Such ReentrantLock object gives chance to that thread which is waiting for the lock for the longest time. And the isFair method returns false if fairness policy is not applied on the lock. Here we have the Java file check.java. In check.java we have the class check. In the class check we have the method main. In the method main, we are creating a new object of type ReentrantLock class, whose reference will be stored into the reference variable L1. When we call the isFair method by using the reference variable L1, it returns false, because the ReentrantLock object has been created by using the default constructor. So this ReentrantLock object is not following the fairness policy. In this statement, we are creating a new ReentrantLock object by using true as its argument. So the ReentrantLock object created by this statement will follow the fairness policy. Therefore, when we call the isFair method by using the reference variable L2, it will return true. And in this statement, we are creating a new ReentrantLock object with false as its argument. Therefore, this object will not follow the fairness policy. When we call the isFair method by using the reference variable L3, it will return false. So I hope you got all my points. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.